What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel if you are new here, and in today's video we're focusing on underarm care. So I just wanted to drop a few gems, tricks, and tips to show you guys how I maintain my armpits and how I prevent hyperpigmentation, underarm odor, and smelly armpits. The first step to healthy odor-free underarms will be hair removal. Now this is totally optional and it is totally up to you. You can choose between razors, nair, and also waxing. And personally, I tried all three at some point in my life, but for now my favorite is waxing. Thanks so much to TRESSWELLNESS for sending me over this complete wax kit so I can show you guys how I wax my underarms here at home. The TRESSWELLNESS Complete Wax Kit is loaded with everything that you need for a nice smooth wax right in the comfort of your own home. This wax kit features hard wax beads for all different skin types and is perfect for sensitive skin, and there are no strips required. The Bikini Star wax beads are my favorite, and they're formulated for coarser hair, which are my favorite wax beads for my bikini area. It also comes with the after wax spray and pre-wax spray, along with paper rings, the waxing app, the waxing guide, and important information and instructions on how to use this wax kit. And I almost forgot to mention that it comes with large and small spatulas. The kit that I picked out is a part of their Elements collection, and it is the Dusty Pink Air Wax Warmer. And although I love the Bikini Star wax, I'm going to be using the Lemon Zest wax for today's video. Be sure to always make sure the wax is not too hot. You want to get the perfect consistency every time, and you also want to make sure you do a test strip just to make sure you're not sensitive to waxing. Now let's jump into the fun part, or not so fun part. So of course we're starting off with the pre-wax before I actually start applying wax to my armpits. As you guys can see, this is my before. There is some hair, maybe about 6 weeks worth of growth. My hairs always grow back in, super thin, long, and fine. One of my favorite things about this kit is that it can be used all over the body: the face, arms and armpits, the bikini area, legs, ears and nose, and chest and back. And although it appeared to be no hairs underneath my underarms, just look at that. If you're not new here, you already know how much I enjoy this at-home wax kit. I've been using the TRESSWELLNESS wax kit since I started waxing myself here at home for a couple of years now. And it's safe to say I've been using this wax kit before the pandemic. I love that TRESSWELLNESS offers a one-stop shop for all your waxing needs. They are dermatologist tested and certified, made with natural ingredients. And I love how I can wax myself like a pro in the comfort of my own home. Be sure to check out my description bar below for more information and maybe even a coupon code, girl. Let's get into aftercare, which is the most important part. First, I'm going in with the after wax spray just to get rid of any residue from the wax. Now that we're all cleaned up, we're moving on to detoxing the armpits, which is super important for maintenance. And maintenance is key when it comes to preventing odor, preventing excess sweat, and all of those things we do not want underneath our armpits. PANOXYL has been my go-to for the past year. I have really suffered with odor and smelly armpits, you guys, but doing this about 3 to 4 times weekly really helps me to combat that odor. Between my hormones and me becoming super active over the past year, using a scrub also helps with underarm odor as well, and I also exfoliate my armpits a few times a week as well. Aside from using a physical exfoliant, you could also use AHAs or BHAs, which are chemical exfoliants. I personally prefer a physical exfoliant such as this shea butter scrub, or even a sugar scrub works for me. Not only does this scrub help with odor, it also helps with hyperpigmentation within the skin as well as ingrown hairs. The soap that I enjoy using is Dial bar soap. This is the regular gold bar soap. I have been using this for years and I love it. This soap is an antibacterial soap. It cleans bacteria and anything, any sweat, any leftover deodorant, anything that you do not want underneath your arm that causes odor, it is going to clean, honey. Deodorant is also super important, you guys. These are two of my favorite deodorants, and I also like men spray deodorant as well. Spray deodorant is literally the key. I kid you not. If you switch over from a solid deodorant to a spray deodorant, you are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I've helped you prevent smelly, sweaty armpits. Let me know how it goes. Everything will be linked down in my description bar below, as well as the link to this wax kit. Thanks again to Tress Wellness, and I will see you guys again in another maintenance video. Bye.